Welcome! It's a welcome to Amberskies. My name's Blades. And yeah, we have a program. Well, we should have by the end of last stream anyway. So we're left with a question. Let's answer that question, shall we? And go back to our data. Data.h. Yeah, I think that's safe. I think that part's safe. Let's see what we get if we run. No idea at the moment. Oh, we build. Yay! Yay, we get a build. GDB's errored. Not bothered about the debugger. Don't really need it. And yeah, we can squibble things all over the place. Fantastic. We can press save. And if we have a look at the terminal, nothing happens. There you go. You press the save button. This is for testing. End of test. There we go. That's your save button at the moment. But we don't want that. We want to show what's in 1.1. Okay. Let's do that. Let's have a look inside a 1.1. So, what do we need to do? We'll take that line, and that line. Control backslash, yeah. There we go. So, create a string, test string. Test string equals this model index 1.1 dot data dot toString. Hate that when it mixes stuff, but it does because we're using a model. Yeah, this is model view, as I found out with Qt, and they have models which we can change, which is nice, but just caught me out on the last stream, I guess. So let's save that, and we want index 1, 1. Let's run it. And hopefully the terminal will stay with us this time. Yeah, terminal stayed with us. Okay. So here's 1.1. There we go. Put something rubbish in there and save it. Test string. Oh, we've got something new. We now have a test string. Let's just pop that up so it doesn't. There you go. QDebug test string. And that outputs whatever's in that Q string there, which should be our data, but it isn't. Think about it. Why isn't it there? Well, that's a simple answer. It's here. See? It's here. Why is it there? Simple. Computers count from 0, and we've got a display which counts from 1. And remember, I just did autos. I didn't set up the display. So I just did that. That's all I did. And the auto setup starts at 1. How clever is that? Well done there. Can't believe it. But there we go. That's the answer. So we can get index 1.1, but index 1.1 is at 2.2 on this part here. So whatever we type in here, we have to remember that computers count from 0, and it's going to catch me out. Trust me. I'm going to make a cock up because of that. But hey ho. That's the way the cookie crumbles at the moment, and to be quite honest with you, I don't really care that much to alter it all. So I'm not going to. I'm just going to leave it as is. I mean, this is for us to set up the data. This is not for use within the main program. All we're doing at the moment is we want to set up a database. Now, it's no good me printing it out to screen. So what we need to do now is make it persistent, and we're going to use Qt stream. So let's get that up here. So we're going to use QString, are we? Are we still going to be using QString or not? I think we are. Qt tape, no we're not. So we don't even need that. Alright, fair enough. I'll keep it as a test because I might want to do something with it later. Never know with me. Never know. Right, so back up to the top. Here we go. And hash include. And what we're having, Q. Forgotten already. Jesus. Q tech. That one there. I'll copy it. I'll be lazy. Otherwise, I'll misspell it and all things will go wrong. There we go. So we're just going to be needing one of those and a file string. Now, this is where another problem starts. Where are we going to start saving data? Ah. Right, let's close you. Let's close you. And in our source, we'll have a new folder. And we'll call it current data. Okay, I want to keep everything together, so I'm going to move our functions in there. There we go. There we go. So yeah, source current data. Source current data. Okay. So we have to change our pro. I put it as one word there. I didn't put a space in, did I? Okay. Rename quick. I did put a space in. It needs to be one word. Current data, that's better. Okay, so let's have a look at our pro. Source. Current data. There we go. Just have to put that in. Nothing special. There we go. And make sure it still compiles. Yeah, that still compiles. Beautiful. Fantastic. Thank you for that. Cancel. That one there, please. Right. So I've got it in the right place now. So what we want is... This is going to look a bit weird, I'm guessing. We can do it from here. Save data. I'm not even going to put it into the brackets so we can pass it in. I don't really care that much. What I'll do instead is just put Q string, and we will call it file, and that's going to equal source slash current data, and we are going to use base data, and that's just going to be .inf for information. Actually, no, it's not. Yeah, stuff it. Yeah, no, yeah, no. I think that's right. I'm just wondering what to put after the dot. You can put anything you want, actually. Dat. There you go. That's a good 3 letters for data. Dat. I'll confuse everybody. Alright, so from here, I'm just going to put a slash star, and here in the test we'll put a star slash, and then we can start from here. So it's that one there. There we go. Pop that in here. And just straighten it up, I think. Okay. Alright, they're doing it the Microsoft way. Okay, fine. That's an if statement. First bracket. That's going to go on the line. What on earth are they doing with that? I don't know. Right, where's my brackets? I've got one there. So can we have you down, please? Thank you. Can we have you down, please? Thank you. Otherwise I can't join you up, can I? Alright. I don't like this at all. I know why it's being done. It's this 0 and 1 thingy. We'll try it. We will try it. Right, so that should save it. I think it's pretty obvious what we're going to need next. We are going to need user data, forms. Let's get the form up. 1 sec. And I'll have, let me save there. Yeah, we'll have a button there. And I'll have another button, please. So I'll have. No, I want them in that order, don't I? Yeah. So that's load. And that's refresh. Okay. So go to slot. And that will be clicked. Okay. What? Cannot initialize object parameter of this type UI data window with an expression of type UI data window. Yes, of course you can't. Because you're silly. Alright, you're just being an idiot. Okay, fine. And refresh. Go to slot. Clicked. Okay. Right, I'll work on these complaints now. So I've got everything. Magic. Oops. just reduce you. Okay. So what we're going to need now on our header, we already have void save data. We're going to have void load data. And now we're also going to have void refresh data. Just in case we need to do calculations, which I know we're going to have to do. So that's nothing exceptional. So I need two more thingies. Okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Muppet. Very kind of you. I need two more thingies here. There's something wrong here, isn't there? Yeah, we've got a bracket missing. Wonder how it's compiling and running that. It's not even complete. Strange. V. So this one's going to be load data. And this one's going to be refresh data. There we go. Alright, just make sure on all of these brackets. I've got an if statement there. Oh, I understand now why that if statement's there, but that is putting me off, so I'll pop you there. And that means that can come back. Nope. Try shift. Nope. Try alt. Oh, for God's sake. Control shift, maybe? Not my day. That should be there. That should be there. You see all my lines aren't joining up. This is a big problem for me. That if statement again is part of that line there. Which means you can go to there and you can go to there. That's better. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Everything looks better. File strings outside. Yeah, that's okay. Alrighty, what's going to happen? Error? I think error. Well, let's go and find out whether we need anything anywhere else, because it was whinging about something. Where did they go? I did go to slot, didn't I? Include UI data window. What's wrong with you? All of a sudden. There's nothing wrong with it. Where's our UI gone? Data window.ui. Oh dear, yes. Sorry, my bad. I haven't saved things. Right, refresh. Go to slot. Clicked OK. Save. It's messed up somehow. I don't understand why it's messed up. I didn't change that. Promote, go to slot. Okay. You've put it on screen. Save. Oh, push button and push button 2. Oh, you dumbo. Alright. Get rid. Get rid. Let's do it properly. UI. Here we go. That push button. Can we call you something else? Let's call you load button. And let's call you refresh button. Refresh. Thank you. Save that. Give that a bit more space so it actually comes up. Refresh button 2. No, thank you. Can we have the 2 off the end? Right. So, we now have a load button, refresh button, and a save button. Oh, goody, that matches. So, load button. Go to slot. Okay. Save button, load button. Yes. Helps with. Just have to keep remembering to do things in this. And I don't remember things ever. Right, you're saved out. Everything seems happy. Save you out. Save you out. Make sure everything's saved out and everything should be happy. Data.cpp is not. Ah, that's fine. Get rid of data now. Data's done. Everything's okay now. Yeah, I totally agree with you. Why are you trying to load that? Of course, it's not been run. Hash includes source data.h. Cancel. Forgot me includes. Where are you? UI data window.h. Where's that? Oh yes, it's on the promotion. Damn it. So, middle. Demo Qt table, yeah. Promote to. And it's going to be it's source slash what do they call it? Current data? Yeah. Yeah, current data. CURRENT. I hope you can see what I'm doing here. It's in the promoted widget. I've just double clicked on header file and typed in the proper path for it. And then we're just going to put in promote. And that should help. Okay. And that's better. Now we're in somewhere else. Da 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 da. Bing. I want the header file, please. Q main window. Okay. There's UI. There's that. Oh, for God's sake. P off. Hash include. It isn't UI underscore data window. It should just be data window UI. Surely. Note. No. For declaration of class, UI, data window, namespace, blah blah blah, make file, error, yep, terminal process, terminate, yeah, okay, that's fine. Where did it come from? Oh God, I hate this system sometimes. Blah blah blah, hash include source data. I can't double click on that either. UI blah de blah on line 18. There. So that's wrong. UI underscore data window dot h is something it creates in the build directory. It creates it itself, which means that's wrong. Where's the promote? I can't see the promotion. Amber data colon user data, yeah, that's okay, but where's your header? Class data window, blah 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 blah. Q object, yeah, okay. I can get rid of those two. Thank you. That's for starters. UI data window, yeah, okay. Data window. I've just put that in twice. Include UI underscore. You can find it now. Build slash, for God's sake. What's wrong with it? Hash include area detected. Please update your include path. There's nothing wrong with my include path. How strange. Oh, really? No viruses. Interesting. Oh dear. How have I broken it? I know all I did was move it. All I want to do is put source/current data somewhere. Yes to all. This. Amber data, user data. Yeah. Header file. Source. Current data. Ah. I think I know what's wrong. Everything's correct there. Save that out. You to you delete. What's this? The marketplace has an extension that can help with stashes, can it? Oh, right, okay. Thank you. Jesus. We'll try a rebuild on that. Run build task. There we go. We'll come back to you in a second. There we go. That's done it. It's refreshed everything anyway. So if I put something in here, nothing will happen, but hey ho. Oh. Damn. Was that a crash? Yes. I thought it would do. Oh dear, what did I just do? Nothing, thank God for that. Right, all of this lot's right now. What's this red marker for? Oh right, you're still having problems with that. Okay. You can go and have problems by yourself in the corner. Right. Now. We have to get this next part right. This is going to be tricky. It's going to be very tricksy. How we're going to do it? What I'm going to try and do is... I'm just going to put Qt debug in. Again. Yeah. We'll just put in something like save started. And we'll Qt debug the end of this, which is all still not in the right place. That looks weird now. I was in the right place. Alright, okay. Yeah, let's come down here. And just put Q, debug. We have to debug everything, unfortunately, with this, because this is going to be our final solutions are going to go in here. Oh, I haven't said hello to everybody. 1 second. How do I do that? Send a message. Hi, all. There you go. Yeah, it's working. So Qdebug. And what's wrong with that now? Oh yeah, that's okay. Saved file to source / current data / base data file. That'll do. And that's gonna bomb out because it's wrong. Alright. That might help. Row count, yeah, that's fair enough, that'll do. Qtable widget item cell equals this item, this column count, where's that coming from? Oh, cell text, yeah, I understand. Alright, so now we've got the right file. All it should do is make a text file. 18 overloads, yeah, right. Let's try it. Let's see if we can make a text file, shall we? Okay. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to put in rubbish. Why isn't it typing? I'm not able to type. Has my keyboard died? Yep, my keyboard's died. There we go. And I'm going to put something useful here. That's my test piece there, so let's save that. Save started. Paused on exception, which is somewhere in that lot. Okay. Alright. Step over, no. Continue. Alright, so program terminated with a siggy fault, which I expected as well. I don't think this is okay. I think we'll do it that way. think row count and model count are okay. Alright, let's do this bit by bit, step by step. So Qt debug. Open inverted commas, and if you could get out of the way, row count equals %d, comma, this row count. It does give an int, doesn't it? Alright. Do the same debug on column count. Column. So I've got 2 debugs in. Oh god. How am I going to do this one? So, Qt debug. How do we do it here? Yeah, I can do it that way. Qt debug. And that's going to be let's have a look. IJ, isn't it? Comma J space cell to text semicolon. Okay, that's another debug, so can we have that separated? Thank you. Right, so put 3 debugs in. Let's see what happens. So we'll need terminal as the final. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's make some magic happen. Want to become famous? I am famous. Rick James 43. Did you not watch yesterday's stream? Oh, dump, 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 dump. Right, I'm going to put something in here on purpose. And then I'm going to put something in here. I'm going to put the next letters in here. G, H. Okay, let's save you out. There we go. So I started row count equals 50, column count equals 10. 0, 0, FFF, column count equals 10. Stop. Interesting. Alrighty, so it got the first one 0, 0. But then it stops because it can't read it. Gets this column count equals 10. and this picks up null. That becomes a null pointer. Damn it. We need something in every single point of... I'll show you. I'll show you. Yeah, we can stop this. It's fine. Yeah, it is a sig fault. Sig fault. Basically, memory fault, overwriting an address, which it's trying to do. Did we actually get... Oh, it didn't actually finish the file. That's good. So the file finishes after that debug. That's the file finish. Or flush. So it won't happen unless we get to there. Right. I'll show you what I mean. So just run it again, and I'll show you what it's doing. Okay. So this is what's happening. So this is okay. Let's just put so is this and this and not this. So what we get? We get this is okay, so is this, and this, not this. And then it crashes. So it does measure that. It actually read it. Now that gives me the idea that you might need something on the end of the file, an EOF. Let's try it. That button there. Alright, so this is, we'll put this as start. So if this is all we need, can we go across? Yes, we are across. Right, we're on 10 now. End of file. No, it'll only do the start. It's not getting to the next one. Let's try end of line. Right, we need to. I need to know how this segmentation fault is really being handled. So, line 1. End line 1. Yeah, it goes down to there. Line 2. Tap, 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 tap. End line 2. Caps lock came on. End line 2. And save. That's what I expect. Every single cell has to have something in it. How can we write to every single cell? We would have to do that in here. Just take you. Let's do a for I or this row count. Yeah, that's all working. If I is greater than 0, out. No. So I don't need that line. Out, don't need that line. I don't really need that debug. And I don't need that out. I'm not honestly bothered about you either. Or you. Alright, there's our loops. So what we want to do is in each cell is place something. Qt table widget class, here we go. Set item, row, column, new item. Okay. We'll try that. So that will be, goes in here. So it's this. Set item. At I, comma, J, comma, default item, which is a Qt table widgets item. Okay. This damn thing. It's really annoying me. Q table widget item star default whatever I called it, item. Can't see because you put stupid things up again. Yeah, default item. That equals a new Q table widget item, open brackets, int type equals 0. Don't need anything in brackets. Okay. Dereference star default item. Equals, no, it's a Q variant, isn't it? Dot default. That sounds better. Can't do that, can I? Expected an expression. Yeah. Is it and? I can never remember which way around these are. Helps if put the right thing in, doesn't it? No? Yeah, I know. That doesn't look right. Ah, right, okay. Table widget item, open brackets, blah 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 blah. Yeah. You're translating that through an argument. Row times column. No parent yet. And setting with a set item. Alrighty. That goes in there. Do we need to translate it? We're supposed to, but does it matter? Try it without the translation first. There we go. I've still got something running. Save it. Run it. Oh, what do we got? Oh, we got an error. Yeah. 3847. There. Anything else I missed? Hopefully not. Well, it did default in 1 or in 0, 0. It didn't carry on. I think I know what's going on there. So let's put that to 50. 0 to 49, isn't it? Yeah, 49. And J is going to 9. Alright, let's not give it blooming options. Options are killers. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if we can get it this time. Come on, I want lots and lots of them. Or just crash. I'm only getting the one. Am I? Let's try that. Q variant. Star. Default item. Let's try it this way around. Equals a new Q variant. Open brackets. Const JSON object. I don't know if that's legal. Just take that line out, thank you. It won't take a Q variant. This is awkward. I think I'm right. Well, let's have a look. Actually, what I can do is that and then just tab. Just gonna fill a few of these up. Shift tab, isn't it? Let's go back. Yeah. And see what happens. Yeah, shift tab again. This is what I was hoping to get. End. Start. Already owned by another object. Yeah, I should have read that. I'd have to create a table. Alright. Yeah, I am right. It's done all the way up to the end and then it hits that one and stops. It stops on a blank. So you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then it goes to the next one, 0, yeah. Oh, sugar. Okay. We need to stop it from crashing. And that's on this Qt debug here. The last thing it did was that one. So it's if cell text is equal to that, and we better put that in brackets, haven't we? Then just return. Will that keep it going? Yeah. Might do. Let's see if that stops it from crashing, first of all. Because it doesn't help me when it crashes. Nope, paused on exception. Continue. Yeah, make sure cell is valid element, yeah. That's what I'm thinking about now. But it's not going to solve the end solution. The end solution is to have every single thing filled. Otherwise it's not going to work on the reload. Returns the item for the given row and column. Yeah, returns a null pointer, that's right. Which is exactly what's happening here with cell. Because cell is a pointer, so it just returns a null pointer. So I could just say it does cell equal null pointer, I suppose. We'll try that. No. I'll go with that and see if I can stop it that way first. I prefer to do it in a simplistic way. We're already running this. Double running it now. There you go, save that. Pause and exception, okay. Oh, stupid me. Cut. Paste. Helps if I do it before I try and bloody print it out, doesn't it? Silly me. start doing things in the wrong order again. Especially when trying to debug. Yeah. You're completely right, yeah. Now that's interesting. It's paused on an exception that doesn't exist. It's a metacle. Oh God. Yeah. Cell is not equal to null pointer for the check, yeah. It's probably a better idea. So... Let's do it then. Let's try this one out. Don't do a continue. We will come down here to the next line. And we'll just pop that in. And that in. And take no action, in other words. Yeah, I agree with that. I don't agree with this, all this /ting and /enning. I understand why they're doing it. That's your end of line marker. So you're going to do these out in lines. Tabbed. Don't need that line. I suppose we do. We could just use a space or a dot. We need some kind of marker. I don't think /tab is going to be the best one, but hey ho. So if we call... Yeah. I'm thinking that's right. It's going to jump everything. Which means I'm going to get a load of these debugs now. Take that out of there. Don't need it. And I know that's working, so I don't need it. So we've tested that. It'll spam us otherwise. Like hell. All I'm looking for is one of those. And I will put an end piece, please. Oh, this is stopped. Stop. Okay. Looking good. It's Falconer. Hiya, mate. So, start. get a crop. Oh, sugar. Nine, 10. Mouse wheel it down. And that's end. That's the best test I can think of. Hey. Oh, that's my tabs. So just by touching them, it creates them. That's amazing. So refresh. Where's my file? Anybody know where my file is? Oh God, where I put it? Should be in source current date base data .dat. And it doesn't look like it, does it? I bet it's still in memory. It'll still be in memory. Is it still running? Yes, it is. Let's see if we can flush memory. Save again. Don't know. Flush memory. See if we can. No. Qt Stream. I've got no idea about Qt Stream. Let's find out, shall we? Use a semicolon, maybe. Nope. Nah, I want to look up Qt Stream. I don't know how it flushes. Class. Let's have a look at this class, shall we? Control. Let's blind everybody with it. Get some. There we go. Okay. Yeah. IO device. Yeah. Ah, it's just flush. All right. How are they using their Qt Stream? They always give examples in here. Blah 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 blah. Out. Yeah. Zaba. Right, well, for starters, I don't need that. Because it's the only place it's going to go out to. It's not giving an error at that point. Okay. We're throwing everything through. So according to me, once we're finished, we should be able to do out dot flush. Assuming I know what I'm doing, which I don't always know what I'm doing. What is wrong with this thing and these spacings? Oh, to hell with the spacings. Okay. I'll do that. There's no close. Q debug, and that's going to be out dot status. I'm interested, put it that way, about what it thinks it's doing. I love doing things like this. Oh, of course, yeah. Helps her take the whole thing out, doesn't it? Let's try that bit. Let's just do a blah end. There we go. Did it flush? I'm not getting anything. Alright. Let's try taking that out. Oh, you can't do that. Duh. Just take it out. Interesting. It's rather an interesting, weird thing. So we know I can place stuff anywhere I want now. So that and save. Where does it go after it finishes that? It goes back to here. Saves out and goes back into the normal window. Alright. I don't think it is actually saving. Ah! No. It's just me hoping. It's not saving. .dat. No. Let's have a look. Asterisk .dat. No. Nothing. Okay. Interesting. Let's look at a bit more of this Qt stream, shall we? Why is it using Qt file data? Yeah, I don't have files. Ah, good point. That's something we're missing. It's like, whoops. Might help if we have them. Now it isn't out.status. Yeah. Don't need that anymore because I know what's happening. And it's just out.close. You don't have to do that. That statement there, out.closed, is actually automatically done by that there. That's that bracket. But just in case. So now we've got our file. We have to put in our Qt stream out. Okay. So what I do is I change that to data. That to data. Oh no. That's to out. Oh no, data will do. And that's to data. Actually, the data close does the flush. Oh, does it? Let's do an out on that. And we want one of them. I'll pop that there. That'll work now. Okay, anything else I've forgotten? You can do console in. Interesting. Interesting stuff. Saved. And run. Running. Yay! Should get a file. Device not open. Device not open. Did it give us a file though? Nope. That caused device not open. is an operation. That actually is a command within an if statement. Wish they wouldn't do that. Where's that extra space? I don't know. Okay. Can't do an out flush now. Out doesn't belong here. Belongs there. Yeah. This is getting complicated for no reason whatsoever, just because I'm having fun. It's typical of me. Just having a bit of fun. Fun. Save. That's interesting. No whinging. And there it is. We have it. In the wrong place, but we have it. Fantastic. There is fun. We did it. Jesus, we did it. How long did it take me to do that? Come on, own up. 1 hour and 34 minutes of me messing around, just diddling about. That's typical of me, that is. Can we get rid of that off that screen? It doesn't look good if I have that behind that screen. But yeah, that row came up there, fun. And that's all I wanted, but look where it has come up. It's actually come up on row 4. That's what all those T's and tabs were about. You see, it's tabbed over. There's a little marker there for a tab. So yeah, that actually works beautifully. How the hell are we going to load that? We now have to load it. Oh, bless. First of all, let's get it in the right place, shall we? Source current data, please. There we go. We'll pop you in there anyway, because you're there. Actually, no, we'll delete. No, stop it. just remove you for now so I know that you're working. Alright, so we now know that this is working. This means we can write a table to disk. And we can create any table we want of any size just by altering these two figures. Don't need default items. I don't think we're going to need that at all. So I've got past that. Do we need to destroy anything? No, you don't need to because you're destroying self. Destroying this. Okay, we're past that. That can go. I want to keep that there. This is looking quite good. I'm going to keep the flush and close. Why is that one back? Why is this one back? What's going on with my tabbing? Can you please stop it? Jesus. If tabbing was easy, I'd be famous. Oh, I haven't got an offer to be famous for quite a while, Falk, no? Do you think I should be? Oh god, I bet my coffee's cold. Yeah, my coffee's cold, that's it. That's it. I'm not happy now. I'm not happy. What can we have? YouTube. Nah, stuff it. I've got it on the other one. Got it on the main computer. Yeah, you're off. Yeah, you'll do. Here we go. That's some music for a minute. Just settle down. We lost our minds in the darkness of night. We live to die. We lose a soul every day. We lost our minds. We don't balance is right. The world is dead, but we stay. Alrighty. Let's see. Oh, next one, upload data. Just borrow you. Let's get the button working. Copy you. And it's load. Load. From. There we go. That's always a good start. We're telling ourselves what we're doing. Now we need to activate that, which is back in the main window. Let's pop you in there. May as well activate this window whilst we're here. That's load data. And that is a refresh. Okay. That's okay. Nice and simple. Data CPP. Copy that again. I'll just put refresh. And don't need to. And refreshed plural. Alright, let's do that. And that. Okay. Let's see if we have buttons. Okay, terminal. There's a load. And there's a refreshed. Yep. We have buttons. Should we have an exit button? No. I should really put an exit button on it, shouldn't I? I suppose so. Design, please. No. Edit. No. Anything? Oh, right. Yes to all. Who cares? Design. Here we go. Button. 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 Push. Button. I'll put this slightly out. Askew. Exit. There we go. And we are going to call it up here on the right hand side. I'm just going to put exit in front of it. That's that done. That's the exit button up. Go to slot. Clicked. Blah 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 blah. Yeah. That's okay. Save. 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 Thank you very much. What we're going to do for that one. Why has that got a squiggly line on it? What? private slots. On exit button. Clicked. Okay. Whatever. It's just this. Close. No. I don't want exit. I want close. Have I got close as a standard? No. Didn't think so. This. It's got that error. It doesn't like it for some reason. Data window on exit button clicked. Oh, data window, data window. Why do you task me so much? Alright. I think it's not connecting for some reason. The mock might help. Okay. Microsoft, Microsoft, Microsoft. You are so ace. Oh, if anybody's wondering, you don't need to type this lot in. I'll send it all up to GitHub. I'll show you how to get hold of it in a second. Once I get it to accept, I don't think it's going to let me do it, is it? Oh, it is now. Okay. This. Close. Thank you. That's all I wanted. Just check it out. Yeah, exit. Fantastic. What I want to know on debug, you close down properly. Blah 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 blah. Yeah. Inferior one. Process blah 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 exited normally. Yes. We have a program that works. Amazing. At this point I am gonna message. So this is with save, isn't it now? So data save complete. Tick. And update. Alright, and do this one. Are you going? Are you going? Are you going? Where's the other terminal? Ah, well, we'll go and check. Right, so how do we get to it? We can take any browser, go to Amberskies, which is at www.amberskies.org.uk. GitHub. On Amberskies Qt is where I'm doing this year's development, and you won't find it. It's not there. And you go, oh my god, where is it? Well, yeah, that's the first thing I thought when I saw it, and then realised I'm on the master. Go to the development branch, and oh, look at that. There we go. Build, yeah. Source, current data. Data CPP should have all my notes in it now. There we go. Save started, closed, user data. I've also got my notes at the bottom as well for how we're going to be doing it, sort of thing, in here. So that's my notes as well. I'm quite happy to leave notes in. It also tells you at the top how to get in contact with me. It does it usually at the top of all of my files. So yeah, that's a good place to be. Otherwise, if you've missed this stream, of course, I'll just get rid of these two. I'm not on here. This is my other machine. You will find me on YouTube also for the backlog of different stuff I've been doing. Currently we are doing this one here. I hope. That one. So we're in here somewhere, so that's the start of it. It's all in there. Full playlist, that's better. There you go. So yeah, we're on Dev 3. Wow, we've got save going. Lovely. So yeah, there's a YouTube channel. It's got all my past, all the bits that we're going to be putting together are all in here under playlists. Make sure it says created playlist so it won't show them all for some stupid and unknown reason. You'll find everything in here about how to do the 3D side of stuff. I haven't started converting that yet. That'll be interesting when I do. So yeah, you can get to everything there. I'm not advertising for money. I'm not really that bothered. There's Patreon and there's PayPal. There you go. Where's Muppet? Here's Muppet. Now Muppet, do you want to sit there very, very still? The finance director is ill, had a stroke, and would like to see Muppet. So, let's see. Can we get this on screen? Just a second. This is just for the finance director. Okay. And there is my cat, Muppet. Isn't that sweet? Glaring at me quite happily, saying, "What on earth are you up to?" Yep, Muppet has the finance director's seat. There's the computer for the finance director. Oh, there's you lot, and there's you lot there. Can we put this back now, please? I don't use webcams. Straighten that up. Thank you. That's my window, and it looks very heavy rain out there. Yes, I look out the window by using a webcam. Interesting. So let's have a look at this save business. Because this is coming up in the next stream, obviously. I've done enough today. My brain's already hurting. Let's have a look. We are going to be doing this next stream. And sorting this one out. So this will give you an idea of how to load the data. After what we've been through today, it should give you virtually all the information you need to load the data. God damn it, that coffee's nice. I'm glad I got the coffee. So I'm just going to start straightening up the file. So as we can see, it's not correct, but it's close. That sets it all up, and then we just have a for ij loop again. I'll have you on a separate line, please, so I know where you're going. And we're using a Q string list. Interesting. Wonder why we're doing that. I'll have a look at that. Fair enough. I mean, this as writ doesn't work. Guaranteed. For starters, I don't think I've got enough of those thingies. Huh. I haven't. Close that one as well. That's okay. Just get rid of you a minute. All lines line up now. Yeah. Okay. Our lines are lining up. That's good news. Don't need those two. Alrighty. We will have that one. Oof. So yeah, I think this is what we're going to be using to load the data. As it stands right now, that doesn't work. So this is not good. It's bad. Goes there. There we go. Right, so all of this stuff has to be gone through next time. We've got a data refresh. What's that all about? We've got some calculations to do and set. So we'll be able to do it somehow. As if I know how. I have no idea. I'm just having fun. Alright, so that means I don't need this line anymore. Bing! And this file's already getting long, so I'll have to start sorting that out as well. So there we go. That's where we're going. That's where we're up to next. And that is a fully functioning, working data package so far with saved data. We will be saving the data in the header format. This character sheet type of data. With this is going to branch out into other tables because we've got skill tables to do, ability tables to do, psionic magic tables to do. Not sure. We might put some in. Bank table, properties table, yeah. Equipment list is obviously its separate list. And equipment in use is probably going to be a paper doll or something. Cash, obvious. Right, okay. All of these here. Physical attack damage, magical points, to hit chances, hit points, mental fatigue, all of this kind of stuff needs calculating, as we will see. So we will be starting at the top. These entries we won't know. We'll just have to put a default up like a none or none, whatever. But we can go through it step by step and hopefully bring ourselves a spreadsheet together, because that's what we've got, that's what we're making. That's the beginnings of a spreadsheet. So yeah, I think it's all going to work. I'm rather happy with this. If there's any ideas or things that you want to include, just either follow me in chat and say something. I mean, Falconer's been brilliant today. He's been helping us out there with the save data. I find that so much better when somebody helps me out, because I'm no good. I'm not the best programmer in the world. I just read a lot and then interpret what I read. I'm an interpreter. I'm a good interpreter, put it that way. I don't care what language I use. I'm the same in all languages. I sit there with the manual and just work through it. So we've got it. We now have our data beginning to start up. I already have under research, have I just popped it in? Yeah, I've got my zip for my graphics. So I've got this thing to unzip, and that's going into the 3D, Amberskies 3D, which we don't have much of. We only have the shaders at the moment, so I'll start popping those in. I'll show you what I've done when I get there. Obviously it'll all be uploaded, so you won't have to type anything. And I think that's going to help everybody then. It'll be a bit better. I mean, as soon as I can get the 3D stuff up, it'll stop me wondering about that and worrying about it, because I want a stable set of 3D, and that is, it uses Assimp, and I don't even think I've got Assimp. No idea. Have I put Assimp on? Don't even think I put it on yet. No, I haven't. So yeah, we need to install you. Apply. That might help. On Windows, just download it, stick it somewhere safe, and point yourself in the right direction when you need to use it. I'm lucky that this just automatically connects to the libraries. Apply. I'll show you how I've done that. So to connect to the libraries under VS Code, there you go. User include Qt workspace folder. Well, there's also the compiler path and stuff. The user includes on Linux are all part of the path, but you can use CPP properties to point it in the right direction, so you can put the include path into a library that you've got on a different drive or anywhere you want. I can't remember, did I used to put them on a different drive? I think I did, you know. Yeah, I used to keep everything on the D drive. So if you look into a development, oh god, get away. That Y gets in the way. Yeah, there is a .vs here. Oh, it's, yeah, right. I don't use code much on here. I tend to use Visual Studio. So that's not going to help us much, is it, in showing you? So I've got all the servers and stuff worked out already. And static libraries all over the place. Oh, wait a minute. I've got research here, haven't I? No, I can't really show on that as well. That's a pro user. There's no build SH, but I suppose I could put one on here. But you'll see resources. You'll see things like resources and things like that. You just pop your files into something like that and just redirect using this CPP property, just redirect into it. It's really is that. I mean, if you've got workspace folder / just stick it in here, because I've already put build in here. Just put in like libraries or an extra libs folder in here and stick it all in here. I'll make it easy. Should pick it up. If not, you know, just help it out. You might have to link your profile, and I haven't got any links yet. To do a link, it's easy. You go into Qt, yes to all. You go to your edit mode, and all you do is you put in right click, add library, and it'll tell you internally you want, or no, externally you want. Next, and then you just browse your way through to it and pop it in that way. That's how I do it anyway. I just use this. This will update your profile, so that's handy. You You should really do all of this in Qt, I guess. I'm only using this because I can get it to look bigger so you can see it on screen. That's the only reason why I'm using code, even if it is slow at updating on the IntelliSense. A bit annoying. If you've got any ideas or you want me to go in a different direction, you don't want me to do the character sheets, that's fine. Just say so and I'll go and do it. If you want to see me unpacking, actually I'll start unpacking that, but I'll probably do it live on stream, the final unpack stage. Unzipping something, I think is obvious to most people. I'll just then sort out what files I want, where, when and how, and then I'll stream it. I'll pop it in a stream. Okay, I'm happy. I'm very happy. Program has progressed. I will be back. Let's see, we're on Saturday, aren't we? What am I doing Monday? I'm not doing much Monday. Yeah, I'm not doing much Monday. I'll pop on Monday, most likely in the afternoon, and continue. Roughly around 2 PM British time. I don't know what we're in. Could be in Greenwich Mean Time at the moment, I think we might be. Don't know. We could be in summertime. I haven't a clue. I just live here. I don't work the clocks. So yeah. Enjoy. And I'm going to have some music now, relax and have my coffee. So thank you for visiting. Thank you to Falconer for his help. Really is appreciated. I'm supposed to say donate and all the rest of it. I can't be bothered. If you want to. Do what viewers do. There you go. I've advertised. That'll keep the finance director happy. Oh dear, I don't know. Things that I do for easy lives. Shut down. There we go, we can shut you down. I don't want to see you out. Come on, out you go. Thank you. Yes, I am using Oracle. Right. Take care. And above all, make sure that you have fun.